Hi. So in this video, I wanted to go over a simple bling application. So this is my go-to when people say they want bling, but nothing too crazy, something wearable. So this is where I go for, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into it. So I already did the design. This video is just about the bling application, and we're just going for, like I said, something simple, wearable, something that your clients can go to the store, go get some apples for the kids, some peroxide or whatever. So I did not top coat this design or anything. I'm just gonna go in after curing my polish and go in with my sticky icky bling gel. And I'm just gonna apply it in the places that I want to put the bling, which is, the top, the little streak right there. And then I'm gonna go in with the Jazzy Nails Flawless Diamond Top Coat and cover the complete nail. And I'm gonna be using the sunset color from my Bling Kit 2 that's available on my website. And this is the sunset color right here. Zoom in on that shit. It's nice. They're all nice, and they're all available on my website. Link in bio. Okay, but let's get back to this bling. So before you cure, that's when you apply your bling, and I start off with the biggest stone that I'm going to use first, and then I go down, scale it down as you go. And I'm only using 2 stones per nail. Like on the thumbnail, you see I use 3, and then on the rest of the nails, I just use 2. And now to add a little, add a little razzle dazzle, like a little sparkle, like you did something. It just looks so much better. Microbeads. Throw some microbeads in your designs between the stones and see if it don't make your shit look a little bit, a little bit classier. So that's what I do. That's what I did right here. I just stuck in my micro beads between the stones. And I love the bling gel because with micro beads, you're always like, oh, they're going to fall off. No, they won't. Not if you use the sticky icky bling gel, they won't. Trust me. I always say it. Try it and see if it don't change your life. Just try it. Just try it. So I'm just fixing it up, making sure all the stones are straight, everything's in the right place before I cure it. Make sure it's all nice and perfect. Make sure it's straight. You don't want your bling to be crooked. So that's what I'm doing, just lining it up, making sure it's straight. Flipping it over does actually help as well with lining it up straight. And now I'm gonna wipe down my sidewalls so I keep my shape, and then I'm gonna pop that in the lamp. And there you go, boom, easy bling. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time. And I actually caught myself before I applied this. You want to make sure you don't have any oils from your fingers if you aren't wearing gloves. You don't want to have any smudges on your nails. And then the oil can interact with your top coat and your gel and everything. And then that's when you can have when you cure it and you have like spaces. Yeah, that's because you probably have oil or something on your nail. So always make sure your nails are clean of debris. But again, I'm just going in with my larger stone first and then a smaller stone. And I'm making sure they're all lined up in the center. And I say to flip over the nail because you can have it looking perfectly straight on from one end, but your client sees it at a different angle. So, at a different point of view. So just make sure that it's straight from both points of view. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all know. Just check your shit. All right, so one more time for the one time. We're just gonna dip into the bling gel, apply a thin, even layer of the bling gel to wherever you want to apply your bling. Without curing, you're gonna go in with your top coat, and I lightly float this over, especially where you have your bling gel. You don't wanna apply your top coat and wipe off the bling gel. So just put your top coat on pretty gently, just float it over, and then you're gonna apply your bling. I'm using the bigger stone at the top, the smaller stone towards the bottom. And I flip over my nail to make sure that it looks straight from my perspective and a client's perspective. And I'm also adding in some micro beads, caviar beads, whatever you want to call your little beads. I'm putting in some little beads. So I was going to let y'all just take my word for it, but I wanted to show you and ignore my crying child in the background. I took the phone from her. But I wanted to show you guys, these nails have been through some things. I've had them for over a year. And look, the micro beads are still there. Stones still there. Y'all can, like, I use these nails. I've had them on multiple times. And the micro beads is still there. So, y'all see it? Y'all see it? I'm just... And once you're satisfied with all your bling placement, you're gonna go ahead and cure it and call it a day. Be done. All right, so after all of that, this is the final look. A beautiful, simple bling application. The micro beads just set off the look even more. If you haven't used micro beads, definitely give them a try. They're just gonna add a little oomph to your design. And this design is called Ginger. If you would like to pick it up on my website, she's available. The bling is available. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, what? I thought you said we was over. What is this? What is this? So I just wanted to show you guys the entire order for the set of nails that I made. If you guys want me to make a video showing you guys how I did any of these designs, comment down below. Now I really will see you next time. Bye.